Hey everybody, it's your friend Jenna with Uncomplicated Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you an awesome way to use a whole bunch of carrots. The one thing I hear from people when it comes to produce hanging out in their fridge is I have so many carrots. I don't know where the carrots keep coming from, but I always have lots. What can I do with them? Well, this carrot ribbon salad is your answer. So it's called carrot ribbon salad. We've got to make ribbons, and honestly, it's a super fun thing to do. So this right here is called a Y peeler. Why is it called a Y? Because it's shaped like a Y, and it makes really quick work of doing this job. I'm gonna hold the carrot, and I am going to peel. I'm gonna peel and peel and peel, and you'll notice that I'm not rotating the carrot because I wanna get those really wide ribbons. And we're gonna do this with all the rest of our carrots. So when the carrots get really, really thin, I will hold it by the smaller end so I have much more to work with when it gets down to the fatter side. Whole bowl of carrot ribbons right here. Man, they're really cool to touch too. They're super fun. All we've got to do now is dress them up. The dressing that we're gonna make is a very simple vinaigrette, and we're gonna let it marinate into these carrots. One thing to note is that if you need more dressing or less dressing, you can easily double or triple the recipe without a problem. 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. You can also substitute another vinegar that you prefer. 3 tablespoons of olive oil, ½ teaspoon of dried oregano, ½ teaspoon of kosher salt, black pepper to taste. You can also substitute white pepper. Also, you have to make sure that you can get the lid off before you do this. What is happening? And then finally, a teaspoon of honey. You can also use regular sugar or agave nectar. Use what you like. Time to mix it up. I think one of the best things about using the ribbons is that they have such a fun texture when you eat them. Like a slice of carrot is very crunchy, but these are more crisp than crunchy. And when they fold together, they kind of have these layers of crispity goodness. So we've got to taste it to make sure that we've got our dressing just right. You can like twirl the carrots like pasta. It's got everything. It doesn't need any adjustment. All it needs to do is marinate for 15-20 minutes, and then it'll be ready to eat. But this made me love carrots. Django, get down. Stop being a nudge. Weirdo. I'm not a weirdo. You're a weirdo. So our carrot salad is basically done, but we don't have to be done exactly yet. What we can do is dress this up even further. I love to put some nuts or seeds on this, maybe a little sprinkle of cheese, and as it happens, I have those things available to me right now. So a little sprinkle of feta, maybe a little more, and some sunflower seeds. There you have it, carrot salad with a little extra goodies on top. As I mentioned before, I know that we're gonna have, thin bits of carrot left over. This is not waste. What you can do with it is you can, put it through a food processor and use it for carrot cake. You can add this to a bag, keep it in the freezer for when you're ready to make some chicken stock. You can feed it to your puppies, you can feed it to yourself, you can dice it up and add it to salads. Also, we definitely made ranch in another video, and I say dip it in that and go for it. And bean dip. And so many dips. Pimento cheese. I mean, what can't you use? This is like a perfect dip shape too. Carrots, my new favorite vegetable. Until next time, bye.